South Korea had the lowest daily increase of COVID-19 cases since late February. Health authorities consider stricter quarantine measures for inbound passengers from countries other than Europe, as around 20% of the patients flew in from overseas. Hyeong-woo explains further.
South Korea has reported 64 more COVID-19 cases on Monday, its lowest daily figure since February 29th, bringing the nation's total to 8,961. Of the 64 newly confirmed patients, 14 were imported cases from abroad. A total of 1,442 inbound passengers from Europe were tested for the virus on Sunday. 152 showed symptoms and have been quarantined at the airport. Those without symptoms have been isolated at 8 different temporary living facilities and are awaiting their test results. To prevent further virus inflow from abroad, the Korean government plans to announce stricter quarantine measures for inbound passengers from regions outside Europe soon. Meanwhile, 3,185 churches across the nation held religious services on Sunday, but in doing so, violated some governmental quarantine guidelines, including ensuring of at least a 2-meter distance between followers and checking their temperatures.
Unfortunately, there were gatherings that took place without following quarantine guidelines. Such acts threaten not only those who attended the gatherings, but also our society as a whole.
The Korean government has warned that it will issue an administrative order to ban gatherings altogether if they do not follow the virus guidelines. The Central Disease Control and Prevention Headquarters have also warned against an information epidemic, or what's been dubbed as an infodemic.
It's especially important to develop a habit of checking whether the information provided by people around you, online, social media, or the press are trustworthy sources.
The infodemic has led to further damage. Spraying salt water in the mouths of churchgoers in Gyeonggi-do province led to a cluster infection of around 70 people. Disinfecting homes with industrial methanol resulted in a family being poisoned. Hyeong-woo, Arirang News.